Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix any crashes or bugs or glitches in your WhatsApp application. So in order to do this, first tap and hold to your WhatsApp application icon and then click on to the app info button. Then inside the app info button, you need to go to the storage usage and click on this clear cache option right here. This will clear or delete out all the temporary storage that the WhatsApp is holding on. Then the other thing you can try to do is simply click on the force stop button right here and then confirm it by clicking here. This will start a new session whenever you will click onto the WhatsApp application again, and it will start the settings from default, although the settings of your WhatsApp application will not be affected, and this might resolve your issues that you are facing with your WhatsApp application. So for that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.